There are two lives that you lead as an actor. That's right, there are two distinct lives that you lead as an actor. No, it's not a character and you. It's something else that has the power to send you and your career into stardom or stay grounded. I'll be back. Number one is this. You have a life. That's right. You are busy. You are occupied every single day with your family, your friends, your coworkers, paying your bills, earning that money, going to the supermarket, taking vacations, traveling, solving problems, working things out with your spouse, starting a new education, entrepreneurship. Did I cover everything for number one? I think so. Number two is your acting career. That's right. Number two is what we want to address in this video. How much time have you devoted today, or yesterday, or the day before, or a month before, or even a year before, to your acting career? Now I'm going to give you some facts. And I'm going to give you some facts and figures that's going to help you to negotiate your 24 hours every day. Okay, the first one is Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin did a lot of things. He flew a kite in a storm. But he also said this. He said, everyone has exactly 24 hours in a day to do exactly what they want to do. And I can't argue with that. And I know you're not about to. But many times we get involved so much in the busyness of life that we neglect the baby we're trying to give birth to. Speaking, of course, of your acting career. And we can make excuses. We can make excuses after excuses why we couldn't study, why we study for that audition, why this, why that. Now, of course, in lieu of emergencies, which actually only 2% out of 100 is actually an emergency in life. Usually it's because we don't want to do it, or we don't know the value, or we don't realize the value could happen if we devoted a certain amount of time each day towards our acting career instead of devoting it towards something in life that is busy. I'm here to tell you some hard, fast rules that I want you to write down. Trust me, take the time to write it down. Take a pen, take a paper, whatever, and write this down. Are you ready? Good. If you want an exciting acting career that pays not only in money, but also in time. Because time can't be replaced. No matter what you say, it can't be replaced. Okay, you ready? Write this down. We always have time for who or what we put first. And that's the truth. We always have time for who or what we put first. Live on a conscious level. I'm here to tell you today, live on a conscious level, not a subconscious level. We have two parts of our brain. One is subconscious, which is our habits that we formed over the years, and we continue to form over the years. And some work for us and some don't, but basically we revert to our subconscious because we're comfortable. But the conscious mind is a creative mind. The conscious mind is a creative mind. Anytime you want to create or learn something new, it takes verbal communication. It takes actual action with your body, doesn't it? Exactly. If you want to learn about a character, if you're going for an audition, you have to apply yourself. You can't just sit back and just sit on autopilot and say, well, whatever the Lord wills.
Well, David, that sounds really nice and all, like a bow on a present, really pretty. But you don't understand. I have 24 hours in a day, like you said. It's very smart. I just can't manage my time. I need one of those time management courses. Yeah.
Now, my friend, while I appreciate your ignorance, I have one thing to say to you. You can't manage time. Time cannot be managed. Hence, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It goes by very smoothly. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. What you need and what I need is to master our emotions. If we master our emotions, then we will get things done in an orderly fashion. The Bible says, let everything be done decently and in order. Now, in order for us to understand that, we need to prioritize. What is, write this down, priority 1? What is priority 2? What is priority 3? What is priority 4 and 5? Now, in between those priorities, there's going to be emotions. I don't feel like cooking at home. I'm tired. I don't think I'm up to it. Audition is so huge, and I haven't studied. You know what? No one will know. I'm just going to bow out gracefully and everything will be all right. And there's others, And this is where your everyday life and your acting career life separates. They separate into faith and fear. Fear and faith. That, my friend, that's why people succeed, my friend, in this industry, or they do not. Now, what separates the two lives of an actor, his everyday life, her everyday life, and the actual career is based upon the following questions. These are just random questions, but they're very common. And once we address them and make a choice and a decision, we will be able to master our emotions and thus put more time towards our acting career. Question for you. Do any of these look familiar? Since the beginning of time, people have teetered and tottered between two trees. We teeter and totter between two trees. One is pain, the other is pleasure. Pain, pleasure. No one likes pain. Everyone likes pleasure, of course. Whenever we feel or imagine or believe that we are causing more pain to someone else or to ourselves than pleasure, we lean towards pleasure even if it means sacrificing our dream. What I just said, back up and listen to it again. If you need a coach, I may be the one for you. DavidThompsonCoaching.co, DavidThompsonCoaching.co. Like, subscribe, and share this video. I hope you got something out of it. And remember, you lead two lives. Make sure that you prioritize.